Yo, what is going on, guys? Welcome back to another Street Series video. Actually about to head over to the gas station. I gotta go put gas, I gotta wash my car. I'm gonna be heading to Hesperia with my little brother and a few of the homies. We're gonna be picking up some parts that we got painted for the IS250 and for the IS350. So yeah, stay tuned for that. Can't wait to see you guys. Your guys' reaction when we throw them on is gonna look dope. But yeah, here's my TO. I gotta go wash it. As you can tell, she's filthy. Yeah, by the way, check out my new headlights. I got them custom made by one of my friends who also has a TO. Shout out to him. I'll link his Instagram so if you guys want to hit him up for any custom work. But yeah, I think they look dope. They make the car look more aggressive. Did the amber delete. Now it's clear. But yeah, shout out to Carlos. Thing looks sick. So yeah, I'll see you guys at the gas station. Alright guys, she's on nice and washed. And she looks so clean. Yeah, we're about to head over to Hesperia. Get this duckbill and front lip. I'm gonna throw it on the Lexus. Here, let me show you guys the Lexus. Alright, so this is my little brother's Lexus. You've seen it on the channel before. The duckbill is gonna cover basically this whole thing right here. So we're gonna need to take the emblem off and then put it on the duckbill. So stay tuned for that. That'll be on a separate video, so be ready. She's gonna look sick. So yeah, we'll see you guys when we get to the homie Rob's house.
Fuck, that shit's a bitch.
You're painting the ones across the street too?
Well, yeah, those shits have been sitting though. The foods are not ready. But I have other cars. And then this G35, I'm trying to finish this G35.
That one was yours, no?
It was, yeah, I sold it though.
Sold it. Is the S2K yours?
Homie, I painted that too. It used to be white. I mean, it used to be red.
Oh shit.
I painted it for white.
Yeah, it looks good. It's over. So.
Jesus, do you remember what the school was called? Cal State something big.
Like North Bay or some shit like that? The university?
Yeah. Oh, because she said north, huh? Northern?
She said it's Northern California.
Let me see, line it up.
Good purchase.
It looks good. See how it looks from the side? Yeah, I think it's because since the emblem is still on there, it's pushing it out. But once it's like...
Does it go? Oh, like this? Oh.
Not like on the side.
Oh.
If you look at it straight from the back, you can't even see the gap.
This school hobby is about to climb.
Shit looks good.
Put the thing back on it. Yeah? You on it? Once you want to put the thing on for you. God! Hold on, move! Don't you want to put it on? Yeah, hold on.
It makes it look more aggressive.
David. Hey, David, how do you put it on?
Put what on? Oh, it just clicks in.
Oh, wait. I want to take a before and after picture. But that has to be off too.
Oh.
Or,
I don't know how to do it.
yeah, that looks sick.
Be like, came on the camera. Be like, they're gonna be like,
Are you gonna cry?
no. They're gonna be like, what's the difference?
He was crying on the way here, huh?
Yeah. This fool was all scared. He was biting his fingers and
He was punching himself over the
he was like,
Like when Lalo broke his hand when he lost his iPhone. I mean his iPod, and he was punching the wall.
He was punching the wall and then he fucking punched the wall.
Alright guys, that's gonna do it for today's video. My little brother went to hang out with his homies. My other brother's just getting here. But yeah, don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe. Stay tuned for the next one, guys. Peace out.
Cause in this world, baby, there's a lot of fucking drugs, but you the only thing that could really fuck me up. You get me to another level that I ain't never seen. Got me asking for more, now I'm starting to fiend. Cause in this world, baby, there's a lot of fucking drugs, but you the only thing that could really fuck me up.